So minion, now you're ready for the pie case. Just move aside so I can show you all the pie cases. So minion, let me teach you how to recognize the pie case. For the pie case also we use all 4 of these stickers to recognize. So for the first case, if you have one bar and 2 opposite colors, if the bar is away from the headlights, then you do this. So minion, for the next case, if you have 2 opposite colors and a bar, if the bar is parallel to this headlight, you have to do this. So minion, for the third case, if you have 2 bars, one of the bars is matching to the headlights, then you hold it from this angle and do this. So for the fourth case, if you have diagonal or a checker pattern on top, then hold it from this angle and do this. So minion, for the next 2 cases you must focus because they are really hard to recognize. If you have one diagonal bar and one diagonal but 2 are opposite, so if the diagonal bar is on your right, then you do this. So for the last case, it's the same as the previous case, but here we have diagonal but it's opposite. So and here we have diagonal and it's matching. So hold it from this angle and do this.